The other day I was at somebody's home and this family had two kids. One was like about 5 years old and the other was like 7, 8 years old. So a 5 saal ka bacha, the 5-year-old kid, he was playing and on the table there was like a glass object, like a decorative glass object. Must have been very expensive. It was like round like a ball and this glass object was kept on the table. And this 5-year-old boy was playing and the parents were talking to me and he was playing with this glass object and that glass object fell onto the ground. वो कांच की जो चीज थी वो जमीन पर गिर गई. And it broke off to pieces, got shattered completely, was in pieces. And then I saw the other boy, who was about 8 years old. He was playing with a rubber ball. And as he was playing with a rubber ball, I saw that when he put the rubber ball down, the rubber ball bounced back. कांच की वस्तु में और रबर की वस्तु में यही सबसे बड़ा अंतर होता है. The difference between a ball made of glass or an object made of glass and a ball made of rubber is this, that a glass object, when it falls to the ground, it shatters, breaks into pieces, but a rubber ball, when it falls, bounces back. So don't ever think that we won't fall. Don't ever think that there won't be troubles. Don't ever think that there won't be issues. कभी मत सोचना कि कोई दिक्कतें नहीं होंगी, समस्याएं नहीं होंगी, परेशानियां नहीं होंगी, कठिनाइयां नहीं होंगी. There will be trouble, there will be issues, there will be problems, there will be difficulties, there will be troubling situations. The difference is, do we want to be a glass ball or do we want to be a ball made of rubber? If we are made of glass, we'll be shattered. If we are made of rubber, we will bounce back. इसलिए कई बार मैं कहता हूं कि किस्मत और मुझ में, मेरी किस्मत और मुझ में हमेशा की ये जंग है. मैं उसके फैसलों से तंग हूं और वो मेरे हौसले से दंग है. किस्मत और मुझ में हमेशा ये जंग है. मैं उसके फैसलों से तंग हूं और वो मेरे हौसले से दंग है. So it doesn't matter what happens. हौसला बनाए रखना चाहिए. We have to keep our hope. We have to keep our determination. We have to keep our grit in a way that we can learn to be like that rubber ball and bounce back. और अंत में तो हम सब कुछ सीखते हैं ठोकर खाकर ही ना. जिंदगी में हर चीज जो होती है वो ठोकरों से टूट जाती है. बस कामयाबी एक चीज है जो ठोकरों से बन जाती है. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, guys, it's not a question of problems not happening or troubles not coming our way. It's a question of how we can quickly bounce back, effectively bounce back with the minimum damage, with the minimum hurt that is caused to us.